To install TraficLED products on posts 4 inches or more, you will need steel strapping and the appropriate tools. Solar panel can be installed directly on the post. First, pass the cable through the tenon. Set the solar panel's tenon to the post. Use the tenon slit to pass the steel strapping and attach to the post. Make sure the solar panel is facing south. This is the bracket used to install the TraficLED flasher with the steel strapping. Make sure the bracket is firmly strapped to the post. Insert the bolt into the bracket. Signs and flasher should clear 7 feet off the ground. For flasher that requires more than one bracket, attach the flasher to the first bracket. Then fix the second bracket to the flasher. Then secure the bracket to the post with steel strapping.